Hi, I'm Bill McKeegan. We're here with a pair of our Relentless 800 monoblock amplifiers. Today we're going to go through the connections, the installation and operation of these great amplifiers. The first step is to connect your speaker cable. I already have the red connection, the positive connected, and now we do the negative by slipping the spade underneath the binding post and screwing it down tightly. From there, we move on to the interconnect. On the Relentless 800, we have an XLR connection, the balance connection, and we connect that just by inserting the cable into the jack. The Relentless 800 features 12-volt trigger input and output. This is a different way or an alternative way to turn the amplifier on. If your preamplifier, like all of ours, has a 12-volt trigger output, you can connect that output to the input on the amplifier. And when the preamplifier is powered up, it will automatically turn on the amplifier. There's also an output. So if you do have two Relentless 800s, by connecting the output to the second amplifier's input, it will then in sequence turn on the second amplifier simultaneously. When you turn the preamplifier off, the amplifiers will also power down. The Relentless 800 features a 30 amp AC connection. This is a special connection, and we do provide the cable terminated with this special connector. You insert the cable and then lock it by turning it to the right. We include this basic cable, but if you want something else, any of the high-end power cable companies can provide one for you. The last important step on the rear panel is to move the main power switch from the off position to the on position. This puts the amplifier into its standby mode. There are two ways to move the amplifier from its standby mode to full power mode. The first one being if you're using the 12-volt trigger. If the 12-volt trigger is connected, then your preamplifier, when it's powered up, will then move the amplifier from standby to full power. But if you're not using the 12-volt trigger, the power switch is underneath the meter on the front side of the amplifier. You can adjust the meter's intensity on this switch in the back. The middle setting is completely off. The far left setting is low, and the far right setting is high intensity. Now that your amplifiers are all connected and ready for operation, before you start listening, please like and subscribe to our channel. But now it is time to listen, so enjoy. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or to your local dealer who can answer everything D'Agostino.